Take a look. There is number on the label. Some locks also have numbers on it. 5 figures 44172. OK, last option. This is Toyota lock. Click the first letter of Toyota. Click Toyota vehicle. Take a look. 5 figures on it. It means we can search the code by 5 figures. And then we put 5 figures from the lock onto the searching bar. It shows TOY48. Select the proper key blank. Click the key. It shows key getting picture. Depending on getting picture, install the key on the clamp. Click OK and continue. Key code is ready by query. And right now, click Cut. The cutting will take almost 50 seconds. Take your time. Finish cutting both sides. Take a look. Nice cutting. Try to turn the lock. Cutting perfect.